We stayed here at the mall last night in Las Cruces. It was okay. We asked permission and they were okay with it. Terry and Scott and Romeo just got here. They ended up staying in a rest area and they're meeting us here now and we're getting ready to move on.
Whiskey and the food and the bottle. Whiskey and the food and his bottle. Walking down the road, 20 years old, very green, still behind my ears. Whiskey and the food, whiskey and the fool in his bottle.
Well, we made it here safe and sound. Most of us are here. We're just waiting for a few more tribe members to arrive. The traffic was okay, and the Walmart parking lot is congested, so we actually had to come to the back parking lot. And we're getting ready to go inside now. The only ones missing are Dana and the family, and also Ross. So I don't know if they had to stop and do some stuff. What you doing, lady?
But we're all here.
Yay!
Yay! Made it to Texas.
Finally.
I know. Welcome home, Ash.
I know. Welcome to Texas.
Whiskey and the food and the needle too. I was 20 years old when I threw.
Alright, well, we are back on the road. El Paso is definitely really busy and kind of stressful for the tribe. So we're going to go ahead and get out of here. We have been separated, but I sent a drop pin out, or actually Danny did, for some BLM land that we're going to go to. So I have a couple falling behind me, and we're just hopefully going to meet back up. Alright, we're coming up to an inspection station. Yes.
Anybody else in the back?
There's a lot of land on 67. There's also quite a few homesteads, some not so good, and some look kind of fancy. Some actually have some homes on them, and other ones are just RVs parked on the lot. It's pretty cool. I think they all start out with RVs though, because there's RVs on those lots too. We stopped at a rest area. We have about 60 miles left to go because I haven't eaten all day and I'm starving to death. Ugh, I'm melting away. Not really, but anyways. Yeah, I haven't really eaten all day, so. And it's already like 5 o'clock. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I had my lemon water, so. But, yep, I'm gonna eat my food and then we're gonna get back on the road. So we're all caught up and rested. We're getting ready to get on the road. Look at that view. Isn't it beautiful? Unfortunately, that trash is not beautiful. It's unfortunate, definitely. And it's higher. But that is the Guadalupe Mountains. That definitely is beautiful. And I think that peak right there on the side, the furthest side, is called Indian Chief or something like that. Oh, I was mistaken. It's the El Capitan and it is 8,085. Guadalupe Peak is 8749. Chumard Peak is 8615. Bartlett Peak 85. So this is what the Guadalupe Mountain consists of. Wow, it's really windy here, but it is time to get back on the road since we do have 60 miles left to go. So, onward bound.
I was 20 years old when I threw. I was through.
here for a couple days, and we're gonna go check out Carlsbad Caverns tomorrow. I'm so excited. That light is really bright. I gotta get used to that. Alright, well, I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Bye, everyone. Love y'all.